Hello everyone, welcome back to channel GDC English. In this video, we are going to know about the Gpat scorecard, that how you should be downloading it and how you should open that Gpat scorecard, right? So let's go. As you know, your Gpat result is already out on the 7th of April, right? But now it's about scorecard. Scorecard is released on the 15th of April, right? But now many of the students were asking me that how should I download it, sir? How should I open it, sir? Anna? So here you have to just log in over here. Log in, Anna. Your username ID will be password. You know it, Anna. Firstly, if you have not changed your password, you have to change your password first, right? Enter your user ID, whatever your user ID, then password, old password, then it will ask you to change your new password. Okay, change the new password and then you have to log in again. Okay, so once you log in your account into the NBMS, है ना, there is a section application detail, help desk and scorecard. है ना, so scorecard पे you have to click, and once you click onto the scorecard, there is a click here option. है ना, once you click here in this one, there is another kind of the PDF will be downloaded, but that will be asking a password. So what is that password, guys? Password is just your first four alphabets. For example, Sumit, है ना? तो Sumit में S-U-M-I in capital letter. There it is written in the block letter. Block letter means capital letter, right? So S-U-M-I, and for example, mobile number is present over there. So 3456. So Sumi 3456 will be your password. For example, if I write it down over here, if I write it down over here, your for example Sumit is your name, Anna. For example, Sumit is your name, and 9 1 2 3 4 5 9 8 9 9 to be precise, 9 9 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. For example, this one, right? So what will be your password? Your password will be your SUMI and 6789. This will be your password to open that PDF once you download it. I hope it is very much clear to you guys at how you should open your PDF. Thank you so much for joining, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any kind of the doubt relating to this one. Thank you so much.